Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Ross, the tie-dyed traveling guy, coming to you with part 2 of Wisconsin winter, February 23rd, 2023, 2/22/23. This is a little bit different than what you're used to seeing on the tie-dyed traveling guy. Usually we're in a warm tropical destination, but today we're stuck in Wisconsin. We've already gotten about 12 inches of snow, 14 maybe, and it's still coming down. So if you haven't seen part 1 yet, check that out. Our crazy 4-year-old daughter is involved in that video. Jumping, playing, eating the snow. And as you can see, I have the sidewalk, I have the stairs cleaned up already, and now we have the driveway. And this driveway, as you can see in that direction, all the way down to the road, and we'll cruise down there here in just a minute to see what the snowplow left for us at the end of the driveway. But this driveway also goes way up back that way. And for about the first 5 years that we lived here, I shoveled this entire driveway. And as I got a little bit older and a little bit lazier, we got a small snowblower, and now we have the John Deere 44-inch snowblower. So for all of you down south that have never seen snow before, or have never seen this amount of snow before, we're gonna give you a quick little demonstration on how we move all of this snow around. So I'm gonna take a couple passes up and down the driveway just to show you what it's all about. And for all of you that say, I've never seen snow before, I want to, I love it. No, you won't if you actually experience it. It's maybe cool one time, but to live in it and have to deal with this multiple times a year, just insane. So tractor's gonna get a little bit loud here. You may not be able to hear me very well. And for those that know me, know that I talk loud to begin with, so they're like, oh yeah, we'll be able to hear you just fine. So we're gonna fire this thing up. We're gonna take a couple passes. We'll maybe go all the way down to the end of the driveway there and see what the snowplow left, and then we'll come back up towards the garage. So here we go, y'all. If you like what you see, like and subscribe to the Tie-Dyed Traveling Guy. There's a lot more fun, exciting, warm, tropical videos in our channel. So if this is a little bit depressing for you, seeing all this snow and the cold as well, as you can see my breath. So we're gonna fire this up and we're gonna show all you southerners how we do it up here in Wisconsin in February. Here we go. Gotta drop it down. Here we go. Let's get this party started. Woo-hoo. There it goes. Wow. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. La, 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 la. And this actually is a very light, fluffy snow. So that makes it a little bit easier to throw around compared to a wet, heavy snow, which is very, very difficult to not only shovel, but also very difficult to throw it. So we have to kind of take our time here. We don't want to go too fast. We don't want to go faster than the snowblower. can keep up. Oh, wow. Dang, this is getting deep, y'all. I'm gonna try to flip this around, start throwing that the other way, take advantage of the wind. Woo! Alright, y'all. This is Wisconsin in February. We're a little bit crazy up here. And every time I snowblow this driveway, I cannot believe I used to shovel this. Absolutely insane. You may think I'm a little bit crazy now, but that was real crazy. Alright, y'all, this is deep. We definitely would not be able to drive through this with our cars. So right away, first thing in the morning, well, not really first thing, because I'm not really much of an early riser, but we gotta get this cleared out so we can get out in case of emergencies. But we have to go very, very slow through this because we don't know if there's ice chunks in here. We don't know if there's rocks in here. We don't want to be jamming up the snowblower. We need this. We gotta get it cleared out. Woo! Alright, we got out of that anyway. What a winter wonderland. Alright, y'all. We're gonna take a trip. Look at how deep that is. Woo-hoo-hoo! You're probably looking at 3 feet deep at least. Oh man, we gotta get that mailbox cleaned out too. Alright, we'll do that a little bit later, but we're gonna take one more pass back to the house here. We'll go all the way up to the back side of the driveway. Very slow. And you have to go over this 2, 3, sometimes 4 times just to get it all cleared out. Alright. But once you get through that snowbank, though, at the end of the driveway, it definitely gets easier because it's not as compact as that snowbank that the plow leaves multiple times. And alright, we're gonna have to spin this around here because we don't want to be blowing all of that snow on the neighbor, because in the springtime when this melts, it can definitely cause flooding. So we'll keep that to the north side of the driveway. But you can see that this driveway is probably, oh, I would say it's a football field. American football field, I should say. Football. So 300 feet. Ooh, we're getting a little slick here because it is icy. We did have some melting and refreezing recently. So under this snow is pure ice, like literally glare ice. Very, very dangerous. And a driveway this long, that would just take so much salt. So we just let Mother Nature take its course. Alright, we're gonna go up past. Oh, if it'll let us even. We're sliding. We're sliding. We're not even gonna make it back there. Let's try backing it up and taking another run at her. See if we can get her going here. Get some momentum going. That's gonna take some doing, y'all. So hey, that is Wisconsin winter part 2. Stay tuned for part 3 when you see the final product. All of this cleaned up, moved out of the way. If you have watched up to this point, thank you, much appreciated. Like and subscribe to the Tie-Dyed Traveling Guy. And check out part 3, coming to you soon. Gotta get back to work, y'all. You can't even see half of the snowblower, man. This is crazy. All right, y'all. Stay warm, stay safe. If you're up here in the northern hemisphere, if you are down south and you say, it looks pretty, I want snow, I will send it to you. All of it. You can have it. We don't want it up here. That's why we travel so much. Spin it around. Quick shot. Safe travels, y'all. Catch you soon.